Hello, today I'm very excited to review Aura's amazing herbal. And today I would like to talk about the Aloderma Aloe Soothing and Repairing Cream. So this is how it looks. It's 1.7 ounces. What I like about this cream is that it soothes and repairs um, dry skin or whatever the case may be. So here in the back you have the functions, the ingredients, and skin types. So pretty much all you do is apply it on your clean skin and you rub it until it absorbs. This is how it looks inside. It has a very nice presentation. I love the color, and this is how it looks inside. It's a white cream, and you just rub small piece. I'm gonna rub it here on my skin, you see, until it disappears. Feels very refreshing. Thank you for watching my video.